Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Samsung has announced the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7 as the thinnest, lightest, and most functional foldable smartphone of 2025. Last week, Samsung teased the Galaxy Z Fold 7, hinting that it would be on par with its flagship Ultra series devices. Now, Korean manufacturers have made several new claims about the upcoming foldable smartphone, promising that it will set several records. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung said in a blog post, "The latest Galaxy Z series is the thinnest, lightest, most capable foldable smartphone to date, thoughtfully designed and built to last." The article is accompanied, among other things, by the tag Galaxy Z Fold, which means that we are talking about the Galaxy Z Fold 7, not the Galaxy Z Flip 7. The company again promised ultra-level compliance. In the face of fierce competition, such statements from manufacturers should be taken with a grain of salt. Chinese companies do make their devices thinner, lighter, and more functional every year, while Samsung, the leader in the foldable device segment, is content with evolutionary improvements. According to unofficial information, the thickness of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 will be about 9 mm. For comparison, the Oppo Find N5 has a thickness of 8.93 mm. The weight of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is still unknown, but Vivo released the ultra-light X Fold 3 last year, weighing 219 grams, and hinted that the upcoming X Fold 5 will be even lighter. So, Samsung will have to try hard. Google, for example, claimed that its Pixel 9 Pro Fold is the thinnest in the countries where it is sold. A similar loophole can be used by Samsung. The Oppo Find N5 and Vivo X Fold are indeed not available in all regions. According to other leaks, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 will receive a larger screen compared to its predecessor, a 200-megapixel main camera, and a special version of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset. It is also reported that the battery capacity will be 4400 mAh. With support for 25-watt fast charging, these parameters have not changed since 2021. Meanwhile, Honor and Oppo are already installing 5000 mAh batteries in their devices, with support for charging from 65 watt. It remains to wait for the official announcement of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 to understand what exactly Samsung meant by ultra-level. Samsung has been rumored to hold its next Unpacked event, where it will introduce the Galaxy Z Fold 7 alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 7 in New York in early July 2025. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.